Vyper also has no emulation score, only OG. But we need to play it anyway, so... The next game is called Vyper. So we do another population score in this one. Ah, you were too tight. I get that. Ownership every 3 waves. Yeah, initial level 1. We started level 1. This does remind... Maybe we had this one. Looks like we had this one. It has interesting frame rate. So it's some kind of Galaga version. Oh, come on. I sniped him. Oh, no. Can we go for the boss? There we go. No. Nice. I didn't have time for the Nibbler game, but I can check out if I have the PD if you want to. You can request it, by the way, with the channel points. We get channel points for all the things. You can even request me to check out games, and I would do that. Worst case, I'll just FTP it real quick to my Amiga, and we can then check it out directly. They're flying such weird patterns. Here we go. Meow. A very colorful game, though. A very colorful game. Ah, but those patterns are tough. Let's go. There we go. Oh, come on. Meow. What is the enemy? Oh, we got one more. For 3k, yeah. Whoa! There you go, deep. Yo, 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 yo. Say what it will, but the game kind of is like a piece of art. Oh, come on. And then you have 10 hours until you can shoot again. Yo, 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 yo. Look at all them blue ships. What is that crank pattern? Ah, it's over. 32,250. We take it. 32,250. Nice. Good population score. But not even eligible to play again. Let me take that out. Music on for you guys. Put it here. Because now